How's everybody doing today? It's Sterling Smith from Loot and Booty BBQ. We're back with Green Mountain Grills. We're in Kansas City at the 39th Annual American Royal World Series of Barbecue. I'm with my friend Dan Barret, Big Smoke Barbecue out of Melbourne, Australia.
How's it going, mate?
Oh, I'm awesome. He's the 2017 Australian Barbecue Team of the Year, and he's gonna show us this awesome pulled lamb gyro. You ready, baby?
Let's do this, man. Okay, now I like to cook my lamb at about 275 F. The thing with lamb, especially lamb shoulders, it's got a lot of fat in it, so it can take those high temperatures. It's probably going to take about 6 hours at 275, and I'm going to take it to internally at around 210. Don't be afraid to push it right up there, and it's not going to dry out. But at the end of the day, we want it probing like butter.
Now we're going to make the tzatziki sauce. Peel and finely grate the cucumber, add some salt and let it sit for about 15 minutes to help draw out some of the moisture.
And what we're going to do is we're going to dice up 2 tomatoes really fine to little cubes. Right, then with a fine grater, what you want to do is get 3 garlic cloves, take off the skins, and you want to grate them really, really fine. So now it's been about 15 minutes, and that cucumber's had a lot of that moisture drawn out. We're going to put that cucumber and all the liquids into a cheesecloth, and we're going to rinse out as much moisture as we can. We're going to add 2 cups of Greek yogurt, the squeezed out cucumber, 2 tablespoons of salt, and the juice of 1 lemon. And we're going to give it a good mix up. Now it's all coming together, we're almost finished with this sauce. What you want to do is chop up a couple of mint leaves. We're going to add that to the sauce as well. All right, now we're just going to finally shred up some lettuce, and then we're just about ready to build these gyros. Now the lamb is where I want it. It is probing like butter. It's sitting around 208 degrees Fahrenheit inside the meat. We're going to take it off this pit now, put it into an aluminium foil tray, and as you can see, these bones are going to just pull out really, really well. Any juice, keep in that tray. We're going to toss it up in that juice. That juice is like gold. You don't want to lose that. We're going to crank up the grill to about 400. We're going to put in this pita bread in, a couple of minutes each side just to warm it up. Now this pita bread is out of the grill. It's nice and warm, it's nice and soft. We're going to slice it straight down the middle, and we're going to open it up like a little boat, like a little canoe. We're going to start by putting some lamb in there, some of that beautiful tzatziki sauce. And then we're going to put a bit of lettuce and a bit of tomato, and finish off with a little bit of feta cheese. Well guys, that's a wrap. Thanks for having me. These are my pulled lamb gyros. Hopefully I can come back again next year and show you guys something else.